Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Castle District kong RM Kurba hane kesngi kala sami ki tendong le airshen saki laipo pratali ki longyeng ki bahap hapo ka BPL. Ya kani nagaliang ka Deputy Commissioner kala sam saki nongsong snong jong ka riat samtia hak jingdon lang jong urang ba snong ba em karkrang kinongkit kam snong ki riurang ba bat ki wei. Habakran hakani kesngi nakaliang kekong RM Kurba kalapan pau ya kejingdon kam ban sedang ya kani kam da kaba pendon kam da ki gas ban shed jing shed bat kani kan penne ya kamei mariang kalau ongru bawat la kejela kadon shibun ke marpok khendau la kadai ya ki klau ki betap bat ki wei hanrei ladang ki pendon kam ya ki kan keta ya kamet kaphat jong ki pajba.
Of thanking you all for coming here. Thank you, madam, and welcome everyone. So myself, Sashwati Mudoy, I am manager LPG sales from Shillong sales area from Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So basically, when I first joined as a field officer of Shillong, the percentage, LPG penetration percentage in the entire Meghalaya is 56% only. So I would like to have my conversation in both English and Hindi for your better understanding. So today I would like to share something. Just like you have seen this PMUY, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Generally speaking, you will see that it is only that you are getting free LPG connection as per the direction of the government of India. But it is not only that. See, we are living in this world. We have seen how much carbon, pollution, everything has come up. So now it's a very high time that we think about our future generations. We know, I myself I'm from Assam, so we know we are proud of having such vast of natural resources in the entire Northeast. We have plants, we have trees, we have our own land. But now, high time has come that we start preserving all this for our next generation. That is for your kids, for your children. See, when we are cooking with this firewood, the coal, the traditional methods, if you are a husband, you must be loving your wife. So you just think about all the gas, all the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide which she is inhaling. It is very harmful for our health. So giving LPG connection does not only mean that we as a corporation, we are trying to sell our product. It is for the benefit of all the people. See, just because we all have the resources, the trees, that's where we are cutting the trees, we are getting the firewood. But it is not only that. We have to think about tuberculosis, the lung problems, the pneumonia, whatever we are being suffering. It is also because of the gases that is emitted from this charcoal, this firewood. They have all the cancerous substance inside them. In the banner itself, we are giving 300 rupees subsidy. So when you are giving us your bank account, we are seeding it in the system. Like from the gas agency, we are feeding it into the system, and then with every purchase, the first refill is free of cost. From the second refill onwards, you will be given a 300 rupees subsidy. Sometimes, if at all, this subsidy is not coming into the account, you are free to contact the gas agency. Maybe some phone number or something you have changed. That might be only the possible factor for that not coming. And other than that, now our target, when we started this scheme in 2023, this year, the last year, then our target was to cater to 1 lakh people. So I am very happy to mention that we have achieved it. Now we are going more than that. Because after 56%, when we have achieved 1 lakh, our percentage is still low. It is only coming to 72%. The rest people also we have to cater. So by this medium, I would really like to request you please tell your friends, your relatives, whoever you know, this scheme is still ongoing, and they can go to their nearest agency or to the village headman, because this time we have given lots of relaxation in documents.
Ibelong state coordinator jungi, but iba ni la tristom sisa, ilayat keleng ke district ke jungi, but skiwi district ru, bangila banyo kita target ke balapan mang nam ta ke state ke jungi, but kumju ru ke district ke jungi. Nomor ba ngar along kalong kami, but ke jing bakli ke jungi kum gilong kami kalong ke bakia, ni habhi ban ni dadan hakano no kerdan ru ke kam di kejo mo ke bakia step ke ba kam ban kong hi ke di jungi ke bangi hab pe ki kon ki keti jungi, but pe bakin bit kan biang ki bahayam hasam jungi baro kenang ba ladangi ni yo ta ke jing suk haka kam tam haka kam yang kam sem kam tamar ka bede ka ni ke bapenon kam ni ke gas cylinder ke bangi ong baro but baro sikata bon ni kam sier ban penon kam ya ka ndai ni siampat ke dan ke bon ke jing mentoy bat ko mentan ila batai bahai kong swati simang jing mentoy ila batai den pareng iong ba pi baro sikata ni penon kam da ka ding ni ru menswa snong ngai wade na ko mar bisu mindale snong ni dang syat hida ke dia macam ni yang kamu karu dan imiye ni syat ke dia dorang aru teng bat ngis ang janji khon ru porjeni mencoba dang slap bah benda ken mau kita gi belak kam lang ba nga kin mau ba ka pertai mariang mencoba campaign mo ban long bat mental ai pher bang labang te hak be de berkata te ni syam ibun ki jing syam ki jongi ka be de berka imlang salang ka to pon bon nangi ni syam ba ki klung ki kena hak to pon ni hab ya bam to dem mo ni inde syong bam jaru ni syong lung ni syong heta wer de pe kum tu ni syong pelun ya ka ni syimia to jing sma bon nangi ngim realize nang ngim sko tho ya ka jing men sao jang to ga bangi le bro sigata andre hagan ni ka perthai start menta but kam tam haka bede ba ka jing sha jing klai but kamariang hi kum bela batai lang i kong swati hang ni ru kamariang ru kalakta namar bangilaya pom ikidin pathan kum ki ong ba meghalaya di gobi ka state ka ba ka density of forest lan nek ta jing bon ta iding ka long ka ba he pha haka jing khe mo ndrei nisiam paderu kumentangi betri kami untuk skim JJM nisiam pada ba bon kita long kilas tang mentor khomno tingin dapat pada balai kalong gumta kalong namar ba ni ya pom diang pathar ban balai ni pom diang pathar ni benan kami kata namar buka suk ngim don kam man thiet ni ong bio ti bon angim ni dadan kita kasngi mo ha ka kalendar jungi kasngi yu ni om sngi Friday sngi Thursday ngam tep in mandai mencar kita bui ta kasngi beli Thursday so kata bro ngim kejing start jengkin memberim kapor ha ka to kapor klau kaptap kadang bon dream tap de ke perthei beda kalomba kibrir gilanang bon gilanang ya tur siki klau laya pom ki klau gilanang ya yan kata ka Shillong jungi dapet macam ma kan madang dan municipal ya pe ya ka story juga municipal ha to kapor ka target le ka rekom trikam ka rekom bo ikibrio ki officer di tang nam ta lai pho hajar ngot ki brio klam madur ba ngin kalah ki phola belong menta di kani bar khai ka penlong ya ka sarkar ban berkhan ban menta ha kani ka sarkar ha government of India kila penlong penwan rai kani ka jwala PM jwala scheme kaba kimtu yang ni ginong syong snong bang ide ban pendan kam na daga gas bat ka jing mot jong atahi ka pila ban song thu ba ka we ni la ot pom pathar palat ki klau kim ta ka we ka de nam ta ka jing sha jing klang ka jongi namar ba kum la pitha ila mention kedian na tray kibala yokem kila yokem bon nangi dan kata ka jing pang dap syadem jo ko ngim de ban ong shu ba menchwang ile kum tu menta kami hap shu ban yagran ka pon menchwa kala ya pher bak dabang ni hap ban ya ini syakmat ka kum ka jing long jing man ka mariam but ni syam ru ka we ngala dona help la shis nam chiteng man kapor bangia kran ba bun kilong kami jongi kilong ki khai ki khun ki balong underweight lene ki klung kin nakha kila dan lupa kata ka jingpang asma lene ki pang pneumonia bon ru ki klung ki bakhla no maria kha kalong ba ki yo pang pneumonia te kini bar khoi ki penlong ingi ban keli balai mo ke ikadam namar ngim jude ban chuhun ban ong ba kani ka mon uble ni hapru ban pej na maria ni ble la ai ni takabor perkhat ni de ban perkhat ken balai ki wei kam ja ble ka jaya ni kumne te kani ka penlong ini ban ni lengi om tien ka jutang ni om bon ki ba shong kun bhagi tien ki jing ekran khana ka jing le yawan kadang ngidang long ka tak om ka close knit society mo ka jing ithui thau ni ithui thau ki bon ki badang di ba bhasuda te kani rungi ko ai bi ba pindra ni khubor batasmi banang ni na ria samthia kumbala ni le pen kit ha ka terpeng jong irang ba snong ben penlong kata wei ka model snong hang ni ha sor ni ba kan de ka jaga ka ba minum benar kam shu ya ranga bat ka dia te kata ka de ka thong ka jong phi kinong shong snong jong ka samthia pin habia ai kati ka man ka diang ya ki ramba ki ban penya i snong ka jong phi ban ni kan turu ya ki we ki snong ki ba ning ba ki nong pathai khobor ki bera nong ban ni hang ni kin shim nang ya ni ka la ka denti ban khnang ngin yo i nong shong snong ki ba sai ba khlai ki nong shong snong ki ba don por ban pendan kam ya ka por jum ki haki we ban ki kam ki ba kham bha ladang ila ban set kham ploy ka ba ham ga di ngin like ka ta ka jing pang kata ka jing don ka jing em jong hi kan nang lang kata ka economy jong hi kan kiu ni ka LPG gas te ngidan kam iban penslur ya baro ki pai ba bat ngi long kita ki bri bumi ong mo kita ki besem phang ba ki revendai jomi ba ngide ban ladang ni ong kunai banung khuslai kata ka tin pila ye yo sngon trai si ong kunai banung khuslai te kani hi kani ka we na ka lat ban ngila ban kunai ladang ni kunai ni belut
sebenarnya nama bangnya ini bangala alai bang chat da kadir dan ni da kana sila bangala alai da kana ini dari jam saya sebenarnya ini ramasna bat kantam ini bawan ini tasi dari daerah
la skuya rap shibun bon namar ba niat ang nakading nakaranga nilayo ini gas ko di la sok ba chikade mo
Di hakini kisna bala ada pisha de ka gas ada ki
pisha de karanga di balapan mi bani mi mudi shini ya apply tinggal sawu mo bani yo kumi antar mi yo mo isu ko men ya kata
Tekani kade ke ba nakaliang kasnong ka khot epi ni ke manu ba perong epi ba